Mabuhay! Thank you for calling the Champion Hotel. This is Alex speaking. How may I assist you today?
Hi, good morning. I'd like to make a reservation for the 13th of September. You have any vacancy?
Certainly, ma'am. Let me check our system. May I have your full name, please?
This is Anna Albania.
Thank you, Miss Albania. May I know the exact date of your arrival?
Yeah, it's September 24.
Okay, and how many nights will you be staying?
Just 2 nights.
For how many guests?
2 of us.
Do you prefer one bed or two?
1 queen size bed, please.
Would you like a room with a balcony?
Yes, definitely. I prefer a room with a balcony.
We do have a deluxe room with a balcony available for 4 5-bird nights. That includes breakfast for two. May I place the reservation under your name?
Actually, under Anna Albania.
Got it. That's ALBANIA.
Correct.
May I have your contact number?
555-56328.
Okay, ma'am, thank you. Now I just need your credit card details to finalize the reservation.
Visa 9876588. Name on the card is Anna Albania.
Thank you, Miss Albania. Please hold while I confirm your booking. I apologize, Miss Albania, but it appears there was a double booking in our system. Another guest reservation for the deluxe room with a balcony was processed seconds before yours. The room is now full booked for the 24th.
Wait, what? I'm just giving you all my details. You told me it was available.
I completely understand, ma'am. I sincerely apologize for the confusion. There was a technical delay in the system update. When the deluxe balcony room is no longer available, we can offer you a standard queen room with a garden view for 6-8 per night. I'll also put you on the priority wait list for a deluxe room in case of cancellations.
This is very frustrating. I called early, give all my information, and now I can get the room asked for? This is very disappointing.
I truly understand your frustration, Miss Albania. And again, I'm very sorry. What I can do is offer you a complimentary upgrade to a deluxe room without a balcony, plus a free bottle of wine and early check-in as a gesture of goodwill. If the room with the balcony becomes available, you'll be the first to know.
Fine, go ahead with the standard room and let me know right away if the deluxe becomes available. Please make sure this doesn't happen again.
Absolutely, ma'am. I've confirmed your reservation for the standard queen room from September 24th to 26th. Check-in is at 2 p.m. and you are our top priority for any cancellations of the deluxe balcony room. Thank you for your patience.
Thanks. I hope things go smoother when I arrive.
We'll make sure of it, Miss Albania. Thank you again and we look forward to welcoming you in September.
Good afternoon. Welcome to Lake Champions Hotel. How may I help you?
I have a reservation for today. It's under the name of Miss Albania.
Can you please spell that for me, ma'am?
Sure, it's ALBANIA.
Yes, Miss Albania. We reserve a double bed for you with a view of the oceans. Is that correct?
Yes, it is.
Excellent. We already have your credit card information on the file. If you'll just sign the receipt along the bottom, please.
Wow, 4,500 a night.
Yes, ma'am. We are 5-star hotel after all.
Well, fine. I'm here on business anyway. I'm staying for company style. So, what's included in this cost anyway?
Full continental breakfast every morning, free shuttle service, and the use of hotels safes are all included.
So, what's not included in this price?
Well, you will find a minibar in your room. Use of it will be charged to your account, and also the hotel provides room service at an additional charge, of course.
Okay, so what room am I in?
Room 202, here is your key card. To go to your room, take the elevator on the right up to the second floor. Turn left once you exit the elevator, and your room will be on the left-hand side.
Okay, thanks. What time is my check-out?
At midday, ma'am.
Okay, thanks.
My pleasure. Have a wonderful stay at the Champions Hotel.
Good morning. May I help you?
Yes, I'd like to check out now. My name is Wade, room 312. Here's the key.
One moment, please, sir. Is your bill? Would you like to check if the amount is correct?
What's the 14 pound for?
That's for the phone calls you made from your room.
Can I pay traveler's charge?
Certainly. May I have your passport, please?
Here you are.
Could you sign each check here for me?
Sure.
Here are your receipt and your change, sir. Thank you.